guys, it is already past 12:30. May class kami today despite the weather. But this class is purely optional. Anyway, this class extends up until 2 p.m. So I'll update you later. We're just on a break right now. So guys, I am on my way to Save More. I'm gonna meet Cheska there first. I'm pretty sure mauunahan ko sila Brian. But nakabihis na ako and I'm really prepared to leave. Pero mag-update muna ako sa inyo. Hello! Tapos na ang class. We ended like 30 minutes early. I kind of told Cheska that I was already on my way when in fact, nagsasapatos pa lang ako. So, goodbye. I think it's 8:30 and hindi na ako nakapag-update kasi nag-aral lang ako. I locked in kasi tomorrow na tong quiz na to. Brief update, I just bought a few things that I needed. But anyway, tomorrow, kung hindi suspended, I have 2 classes. I have a quiz, so mag-aaral pa ako mamaya. For the meantime, papahinga ko muna yung utak ko because I deserve it. And then I'm gonna start studying again. Hopefully, makakapag-vlog na ako nun. Kung hindi, I'm so sorry. I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to JC. There's something wrong with my camera. Ito naman kami sa call.
Oh my God, this is
Bilang future COA members. Ay!
Yes, pending
Joke
na.
lang. Manifesting.
And a reject. Char. Cheska's doing an interview. And I'm studying. Okay. Good morning. I'm on my way to campus. See you there. I'm already on campus and I'm going to JSET. Lunch muna ako, tapos mag-start na ako sa reading sa isang subject ko. Kasi ngayon lang pinost, today din yung class namin. Ayun, maghahabol kaming lahat. We are leaving JSEG kasi ang init na. Going to CTC. Merong room na vacant doon. So we'll transfer first and I'll update you kasi may class pa ako ng 2 p.m. and 1:30 na. Hello, nai-stress na kami. Including him. May coding sila sa minor nila.
Saan yung makita?
Ito. Hindi ka pa tapos? Oh my God, ang haba na.
Number 1 pa lang yung natapos namin kanina.
So kami naman, ang pinaproblema namin is yung 5 to 8 p.m. class namin later. Kasi nag-post siya, yung prof namin, ng grading and ng videos. Almost 2 hours and 30 minutes. Kailangan matapos namin siya before the class. Tapos may reading pa siya ha, 18 pages. We also have to finish today. So paano yun? May class kami. Sisimula na ang kalbaryo ng Polsai people. Matapos lang ng class ko na bawal mag-gadget. Andito ulit ako sa room 304 sa SOM. At least, pasado ako sa...
She loves
Bibili kami ng kape dahil kailangan namin. We have a 5 to 8 p.m. class. Magbabasa pa ako. Manonood pa ako ng clips. At least pasado ako sa quiz ko sa Philo. Sea salt latte. She got the same thing. Yay! Guys, don't mind the background noise, but I'm currently trying to read. But not the reading, yung notes lang ng friends ko kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya magbasa. But I am trying. I'm gonna watch the videos first so I can make connections. Para may masagot naman ako sa recit later. Yes, Cheska? Hi, people of the universe. Welcome to
a day in the life of a Pulsar major na ang laki ng vacant in between the first class and the next class. Shout out to... Saan? Okay, magagalit si Riz, guys.
Ayoko na guys. Anyway, I'm gonna try to study. We'll try. We just survived the first round of recitation. At kami pa ang last na napili na mag-recite. Perfect!
We survived.
Okay.
One more
Thank you so much,
later.
Biden and the Hezbollahs. Char. Hello. So how was the first round of recitations for IR?
Gosh, it was kind of good money. A threat to survival.
Hi guys! So tapos na yung class ko. I am on my way to Gate 3. Palabas na ako ng campus. Magdi-dinner na lang ako sa labas kasi dami ko pang biglang nagpatong-patong yung readings ko. Anyway, that was a really tiring class. So I have to recharge when it's actually raining. Ito na si Ferdy. Good morning guys! Today is Tuesday and suspended na sa senior high school. As usual, may pasok ang college. Hindi naman kami talaga apektado ng bagyo. Illusion lang to. Anyway, I am on my way to school. I have a class at 8 a.m. and it's 7:40 na. Let's test our ability to power walk in less than 10 minutes. Successful power walking. I have at least 5 minutes. So, chill walk muna ako. Hiningal ako, guys. Like I expected. Wala pa yung prof namin.
We ordered beso. The women in the John.
Hi guys, I am back in the dorm and I might study for the rest of the day. I'm gonna do some chores. Ang dami na rin ng laundry ko. Wala na akong masuot. Update guys, it's currently 3:50 p.m. and I just did my skincare. Kakatapos lang din ng meeting ko for a subject na may reporting. Anyway, I'm gonna head out to do my laundry and to run some errands. I'll pick up something pala muna downstairs. Kasi na-deliver yung something na in-order ko. I don't remember what. Currently in JSEC, I'm with Cheska and Matt. And we saw JP and sila Brian. Would say. I might eat ulit. Kumain na kasi ako kanina. Pero nagugutom ako. So kakain ulit ako. And I'll be meeting my friends later sa cafe. Dito lang sa Katipunan. Currently in But First Coffee. I forgot to mention that I have a quiz tomorrow. So I'm gonna lock in muna para pagdating ng friends ko, hindi na ako masyadong focus sa ginagawa ko. I got hot Spanish latte kasi inubo ako. Ay, dito picture ah.
Radius can be harvested.
Hi! I'm with Mats and we bought coffee because we need it. I need it. Okay, anyway, we're going Teo up. Katapos lang ng class namin na may quiz. I'm with Ira. Mag-interview kami for our NSTP. We're just waiting for the others. And then, gugora na kami. The quiz was... I don't want to talk about it. Ikaw, Felix, gusto mo pag-usapan? Nagpakit niya.